This thing is not Western cookware. You know, when you're out west in here, your dinner's on the range. When you're in the Chinese joint, it's walking. Okay. All right. So we need a little bit more oil here. We'll put a little bit of the extra virgin. It's okay, Jimmy? He likes them that way. Okay. And then I'm also using a little sesame oil in here. I really like sesame. You got to get that when it's fresh because it turns on you. And then we have some carrots. You can dice these. We got a new machine in the rack that does this, so that's kind of fun. So I'm going to put these in here first and let them walk around for a few minutes. On your, and then we got some more spores here. More portobellos. We like those. Smell that. We got smell-o-vision here. Pretty good stuff, isn't it? Okay. Yeah. We sliver these guys up pretty nicely. We take the bottom stems out of them, and we either grind them up and make a mushroom paste that we use in some of the sauces, or we do it in a mushroom soup, cream of mushroom soup. Take this, a little bit of onion, and some sherry. I guess I gotta switch and use this now. Oh, it's coming. Look at this. Smell good, isn't it? Oh, the other one that we didn't make, these are yum-yums, okay? You can use wonton skins. You can use tortilla, flour, harina tortilla, and then you skin them up like this, fry them quick, and then you hit them with garlic and some powdered ginger. It's going to be nice yum-yum in that soup.